Exciting news about Google's upcoming foldable device, the Pixel Fold 2, has emerged from leaked renders, showcasing a significant design overhaul from its predecessor. Here's a rundown of what we know so far. Camera bump redesign. The Pixel Fold 2 is revamping its camera bump, moving away from the bar design of the original Pixel Fold to a rounded rectangle shape positioned at the top left corner. This change resembles the camera array seen in the Pixel 9 series. Processor and RAM. Reports suggest that the Pixel Fold 2 will boast the latest Tensor G4 chip, paired with an impressive 16 GB of RAM, marking a first for Pixel phones. Design aspects. The Pixel Fold 2 appears to adopt a taller aspect ratio, resembling a square shape akin to the OnePlus Open, departing from the original Pixel Fold's wider form factor. Despite this, the device maintains Google's signature rounded corners. Hinge design. Leaked images suggest that the Pixel Fold 2's hinge design resembles that of OnePlus, featuring matte materials that cleverly conceal the hinge when the phone is unfolded. Temperature sensor. Unlike its predecessors, the Pixel Fold 2 reportedly lacks the temperature sensor seen in previous Pixel models. Release date and event. Anticipated to debut in the summer, possibly at Google I/O 2024. The Pixel Fold, the 2nd of May, also be part of the fall, made by Google, lineup. With its Tensor G4 chip and design elements reminiscent of the Pixel 9 series, the Pixel Fold 2 promises to be an exciting addition to the foldable smartphone market. However, the reception from tech enthusiasts and consumers remains to be seen. What are your thoughts on the potential new design for the Pixel Fold 2? Share your opinions in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates. Take care and peace out.